How to fix Valorant error code VAN-79. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Valorant error code VAN-79 on your Windows PC. Make sure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important details. And don't forget to like and subscribe. First, click on the search bar and type services, then open it. Now in the services window, click anywhere inside and press the V key to quickly scroll down. Find the VGC service, double-click on it, and check the startup type. If it's set to manual, change it to automatic, then click Apply and OK. You can now close the window. Next, go back to the search bar and type Firewall and Network Protection. Once it opens, click on Allow an app through Firewall. Then click on Change Settings, and after that, select Allow another app. Now click on Browse and locate where you install Valorant. For most people, it's under this PC local disk C, Program Files or Program Files x86. Find the Valorant application, select it. Once it's added, click Add, then hit OK to save everything. After you've done all that, it's a good idea to restart your PC just to be safe. And that's it. After restarting, you should be able to launch Valorant without seeing the VAN-79 error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.